Well, we made it to Friday if you're watching me live right now. We just did our Fire Starter Friday meeting, okay, at LiveGood, which I really like it because our host is Ben Glinsky, our CEO. All right, and then our marketing field director is Nader Kazan. All right, and then we have Dr. Ryan Goodkin. He creates all our products, and his hot wife, Lisa. All right, she's in charge of the education of all of our products, okay? So all four of them, they always do live meetings Friday Eastern time because we're based out of Jupiter, Florida, okay? And I think it's important to watch our company meetings, and you don't have to watch them live. And if you want to, great. They're, Zoom, live on YouTube. I record them, so if you're on my YouTube channel now, you can always watch them whenever you want. Because I know when it's noon here, it could be midnight in Australia. All right, so cheers. Gosh, my downline in Asian areas, all right, like China, Japan, they're 15 hours ahead of me here in Utah, okay? So just relax, guys. If you go to my YouTube channel, you can watch. And if you join LiveGood, you're going to see a tab that just says webinars. All of them that are recorded, okay, they're just right there. You guys can figure it out. But anyway, on Mondays, we always do a meeting with Dr. Ryan and Lisa. They're about like 30 minutes. And like I said, they're noon Eastern. And they just talk about brand new products that we have out or that are going to be debuting or how to use such products, okay? Q&A, everything else. And let's see, Wednesday, Nader Kazan, he does about a 30-minute, sometimes 40-minute, and it's about the whole experience with LiveGood. It could be about the marketing, could be about how to talk about certain things of the products so you can get signups, people to join you as members and affiliates, okay? And it's a good one to watch. It refreshes you. It gives you a lot of ideas on how to promote your business, okay? Now, Thursday is a 1 hour for all the Fab Four. That's what I always call them. Ben, CEO, Ben, Nader, and Ryan and Lisa. They do a 1 hour, and it's basically a recruiting type atmosphere where it's general. You can invite anybody that's interested in LiveGood as, an affiliate. Maybe they want to just buy the products or just be a customer. Just buy the products first, then become a member for $10 a month. And if you want to earn money, it's only $40 one time. Okay, that's how I became a member and an affiliate maniac here. Okay, I was just buying super reds and super greens. I think you can see some of the products on my mini fridge off to the, let's see, I guess you're watching the left of my screen there. You can see them. Okay, then Friday, which is today, it is my favorite all-around meeting. I love hearing about people that have signed up 2 people, 10 people. They've ranked up to 100 plus where they have platinum status. They get to diamond, okay? Worldwide experience, okay? We're talking China, cruising on over to Australia. All right, we have people in, above me in Canada and below in Mexico, of course, the UK. It's exciting because I get signups just about all over the world at this point. And it is so crazy that I can sit here in Utah on this fine Friday, and maybe by the time I go to bed tonight, I have somebody signed up. Oh gosh, could be South Korea. All right. Is it Tanzania? Am I saying that right? I love that. I love the Tasmanian devil. That's one of my favorite little cartoon characters, but it's exciting, guys. I love LiveGood because it's not seasonal. You can promote LiveGood summer, spring, winter, fall. Okay. It doesn't matter if it's summer because, man, I'll tell you, a lot of people are outside and they want to have that energy and just look better and feel better. But then in the winter, usually after the holidays, you feel awful and you're like, oh God, diabetes, high blood pressure, I've got to lose weight. Okay. In the summer, I'm more addicted to the energy because I'm always outside and I'm doing stuff and I love the sun and motorcycling and going to the pool. And I help Rock and Hot Rod Productions produce right around 145 car shows March to October. So I'm super busy when that sun is shining. Okay. But when you're in bed, LiveGood could be earning me some bucks. All right. I like to make video like this. I email. I do posting on social media. Everyone knows the TikTok, Instagram, and the Facebook. Those are my favorite ways. Okay. And just keep it simple. You don't have to overanalyze and do systems and techniques unless you want. Okay. And I'm very good at the systems and the technique. Okay. But when you first start, just do what I do. Invite people to a link. And if you want to see what your capture page, it's called the power line. Okay. But joincory.com. All right, I bought this card, I bought the domain, they're cheap, and then I just bounce it to the Live Good page that you're going to have. And it's where people just watch a movie. It's a little video, 5 minutes and 55 seconds. If you watch the whole thing, you're probably interested in buying the products and probably being a member so you save money at $10 a month. And then if you want to be a maniac affiliate like me, if you got two $20 bills, rub them together for good luck and invest them into yourself, because now you're an affiliate for life. It's like a tattoo for $40. All right. I have tattoos all over this little body of mine, but they were more than 40. Okay. So if you got $40, right on. Invest it into yourself. Kick in another $9.95. So for $50 minus a nickel, you are now a member and an affiliate. And all you got to do is spend $9.95 a month, and you just get good at inviting people, which I hope that you copy what I do. Just get a domain and forward it to the Live Good capture page, your capture page. All this stuff, it's easy to set up. If you join me, I give you a nice email about everything I do. Okay, I've streamlined it. It's very easy. I focus more on my downline than me recruiting, because I got well over 400 people signed up underneath me. Now I need all 400 to go get 4 or 5 or 10, or I don't know. Would you like 20 people, or would you like 200? Okay, just do it one at a time, guys. Make it fun, and that's it. And let's all help each other. Okay, I got my Live Good hat on. Thank you for watching live. Go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. All right, and Cory at CoryDraper.com. That is my email address. And if I'm on Facebook, you can inbox me there too. You guys will figure it out. All right, guys. Thanks again. joincory.com. All right, visit it right now. Climb aboard. Talk to you later, guys. See ya. Bye.